Hi, in this e-signature workflow demo today, we'll be showing you how the Box Content Cloud finalizes a software license agreement between Increo Incorporated and their customer ABC Industries. The workflow process will be carried out by Jennifer, Account Executive, and Peter, Legal Contract Manager from Increo Incorporated, and Tom, the Chief Financial Officer for ABC Industries. We begin the demonstration with Jennifer logged into Box with the software license agreement open in Box Preview. She notes that the metadata template has customer name set to ABC Industries and the signature status is set to pending. Her colleague Peter from Legal has let her know that they have completed their review of the agreement and that it's ready for signature. She responds to Peter to let him know that she'll be sending the agreement out for signature now and she will make sure that he receives a copy. She initiates the signature process by clicking on the Box Sign icon. Since Tom from ABC Industries is the only person that needs to sign the agreement, she selects the Only Others option and changes the location for where the agreement should be saved to the Sign folder. Next, Jennifer adds Tom and Peter as recipients. Tom defaults with the role of signer, and she changes Peter's role to only receive a copy. Within the document, she proceeds to add the signature, date, and text fields. She opens the email notifications section and decides to not enter a custom email, but she does enable automatic reminders. Box Sign will send a reminder every 3 days for the first 2 notifications and additional notifications within a 5-day interval. Finally, she sets a signature request to expire after 7 days and submits the request to Tom. After submitting the request, Box takes Jennifer to her Box Sign dashboard. Here she is able to track all requests that she has submitted as well as signature requests sent to her. We can see that the request she just submitted to Tom is in progress. By clicking into View Details, we can see the list of recipients and their individual status, the email message that was sent with the request, and their create and expiration dates. There is also an option to manually send a reminder if Jennifer chooses to do so. We now switch over to Tom, where he receives the signature request email from Jennifer. He clicks on the review document link that opens a tab to the signing page. The first thing Tom needs to do is accept the electronic record and signature disclosure. But before he does that, we're going to take a quick pause to review how an admin configured the custom disclosure that Tom sees here. From the Box admin console, customers can now replace Box Sign's standard electronic record and signature disclosure with their own custom terms. The disclosure section utilizes HTML tags, and there is a preview option to confirm that the disclosure formatted correctly before saving your changes. Let's move on. Tom continues by reviewing and accepting the disclosure. Since Tom is the CFO, he uses a signature on file when signing documents and uploads the signature to sign. Tom completes the remaining fields and clicks Sign and Finish. Tom will receive an email with his own copy of the signed agreement along with a detailed signing log for his records. Let's now switch back to Jennifer to see how the signature process was completed in Box. Using Box's workflow tool Relay, several actions were automatically completed when the signed agreement was signed. First, Jennifer receives a notification in her task inbox that the agreement has been signed. When she opens the file in Box Preview, she notes that the signed agreement has been classified with the label Company Only, restricting the file from being shared outside the organization. The metadata field signature status was updated to signed, and a 3-year retention policy was also applied. Again, let's take a quick pause to see how the Box Relay workflow was set up. As you can see here, the trigger is set to fire when a document is completed. When Tom signed the agreement, it kicked off this workflow, which automatically updated the metadata field signature status to signed, applied the company only classification, and sent a task notification to Jennifer that it was signed. This now concludes the demonstration. As you saw, we showed how the entire e-signature workflow was executed in Box without having to switch to a standalone e-signature tool. Right from Peter and Legal approving the agreement, to Jennifer preparing the document and sending it out, to the signed document being classified and retained. The entire process was completed securely and efficiently in the Box Content Cloud.